Still recording. Let's go. Woohoo! It's still recording. Is mine recording?
Yeah.
All right.
Whee!
Going over top. Look at me! Woohoo!
Hey!
Okay.
It's a telemarketer. Still don't like the way it looks, but alright. How do you know? You haven't seen yourself yet. Alright, where are we going? Was this it, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Andrew, record me. That was nice. That was nice. It's still recording, by the way.
That's good.
That's good.
Maybe that's what we need to do. We need to swap out the battery every run.
Yeah.
That's annoying, but whatever.
I just warm it up with my hands. Yeah. Is mine still recording?
Yeah.
Nice. How you feeling, Mr. Feedorse? Any words of wisdom?
None.
No?
No words, no wisdom. How's your day on the big mountain?
You call this a big mountain?
I do, yes.
You obviously have not been to the Himalayas.
Bye.
I call next. Hello, camera! Woohoo! Wow! Sir! That was fun though.
I could resist.
It's still recording. Let's go!
Okay. That was the whole point. Go, go.
Very nice. We're still recording, right? Am I recording? Yeah. Oh, nice, nice. Oh. All right. Me first, me first. I should turn the other way so that I can actually follow your face down the mountain.
I try to keep you in frame. Get like a round shot like that.
Double around shot.
I'm out of here.
Whoa! Oh. That was awkward. Sorry about that.
Yeah. That's okay, it's the one that's on film. Or so to speak.
So to speak, am I not recording anymore?
No, you're still recording. You just weren't looking at me when I fell, I think.
Yes, I was.
Really?
No,
Well, I was. I don't know if the
My point was
camera...
that it's not on film.
I mean, I don't mind if it's on film. It's funny.
I got you.
Record me as I go down? I like to stop.
What's happening? You called the stand, I don't know.
Oh. You okay, Mr. Peters?
You realize I have not fallen like that in about 3 years.
I missed it. I'm so sorry.
And now I got 2 cameras filming it.
Are your knees okay?
My knees are fine. My hand is cold. And I don't have my hand warmer. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. My ego more than anything. I haven't wiped out in 3 years, and these buffoons are actually recording me doing it.
Erase that tape.
It is.
To be fair, I didn't get the actual fall.
Yeah, I didn't either, actually.
We just looked over and you were in the snow.
Yeah.
He was just resting.
Yeah!
That's right. That didn't happen. You saw nothing.
No, actually, it may have been 2 years. It may have been 2 years, not 3 years.
As long as you're okay, we're okay. That's good.
And I'm not even sure what happened.
Well, I didn't see it, so I can't say.
Could you like keep following as I go down?
Yeah.
I want to get a shot of my form so that I can look at it later.
I try to change it up. Sometimes I hang back.
Woo! He's still back there.
What?
That was fun. That was fun. I was certain that I was gonna fall. Oh my god.
Yeah, so was I.
Cannot believe I recovered from that. Is mine still recording?
Yep.
Oh dude.
Is mine still recording?
Yeah. Fantastic. That was awesome. We got the whole thing on recording.
Yeah.
Except for your fall, but you know.
What fall?
Oh yeah.
That's right, remember?
You're right. I don't know what I'm talking about.